When we go to Mecca for Umrah, you see the people and you tell yourself, wow, Allah's brought them from all over the world. Some of them have saved up for years. I was in Indonesia not too long ago. They told me between 30 and 40 years it takes for a person to go for Hajj after they've registered their names. So they register at the age of 20, they end up going at the age of 55, 60. Do you believe that? Subhanallah. And this is why a lot of them are older people, because it's not so easy to go. They have a quota. They have more than 250, 280 million people in the country, and so many want to go for Hajj. They just can't cope. And this is happening with more and more countries. When you go and you see them crying to Allah, where are your tears? If you are not going to push yourself to do the right thing, like I said, watch those who come to Mecca for Umrah or for Hajj and they change their life. They come back a different person. But when we came back, what did we do? We got back to the bad habits that we had before we went. What was the point of the journey?